Hello everybody, and welcome to Olights Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have not a knife video, but a EDC gear video, which is probably two Olights. First ever time I have gotten Olight. I will be unboxing this and doing my first impressions. The knife I will be using to unbox this Olight package will be the Buck Spitfire. Be right back when I unbox it. This is some nice packaging. For being a first-time customer, they give you a free flashlight if you buy something else. And the free one is the i3E EOS in black. And then the one I bought is the Olight Baton 3 Iron Man colors. Once I open these, I will let you know more about them. This one says all the specifications. You can see that. Pause to read it. And this says all the specifications. Pause to read it. I got the Baton 3 open. I'll show that in a little bit after it charges. I'm going to open the i3E EOS and let you guys see it. Give you my first impressions and let you know if it needs to be charged out of the box. This is how it comes. This is the paperwork in the back. Pause it to read. And that's the paperwork in the back. It is 6:36 in the evening when I'm doing the second part of the video. For the flashlights, Baton 3 and let me see where the box is. Baton 3 and the IE3 EOS. And I'm going to show you how they work. That just magnetizes onto this if you don't want. I'll be right back when I set this up. This is the IE3 EOS. I'm going to show you a quick thing in the unboxing and review how they work. Twist it. The other way, sorry. 90 lumens. Twist it the other way. This has a clip. Press it once. Off once. Double tap. You hold it. Moonlight mode. That was the SOS mode. Moonlight mode. And 90 lumens. This the i3 EOS has its a AAA battery, which I'm going to buy rechargeables for it. This Baton 3 Iron Man edition is what I call it because it's Iron Man colors. Has a rechargeable battery inside that I'm going to be supplying from Olight itself every time I need to. And then the box for the Baton 3, I keep misplacing right now. As you look at the Baton 3 Iron Man, super duper 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 looper looper cool. I like that Baton 3. It's right here. like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, and remember to use those bright flashlights.